Hello class, my name is Jeremiah. Today we are going to have some tutorials in mathematics. We are going to solve a question in mathematics. But before we do that, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you are going to be notified on my next video. Do well also to like my video each time you come across it on YouTube, and do well to drop a comment in the comment section. Now let's go ahead to solve this given question. It says find and classify all the equilibrium solution to the what? To the following differential equation. And this is the differential equation, and we need to do what? Classify the differential equation. Is it stable or is it unstable? We need to do what? Classify it. What you need to understand is that this is just like what? Quadratic equation, right? Okay, let me write the equation. Y prime equals y squared minus y minus 6. This y prime means what? The first derivation of what? Y with respect to x. So, but this one is what? A quadratic equation, because we have what? We have y squared minus y minus 6 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Now let's solve the quadratic equation and get the variables, the values rather. So when we solve it, how are we going to solve it? Y squared will multiply what? Minus 6. Y squared multiplied by minus 6 is what? Minus 6y squared. Now we're going to get two variables that when we multiply it, it will give us what? Minus 6y squared. At the same time, when we add or subtract, it will give us what? Minus y. So what is the variable? It is minus 3y plus 2y. Minus 3y plus 2y is what? Minus y. And at the same time, minus 3y multiplied by plus 2y, it will give us what? Minus 6y. So we have what? Y squared. Instead of minus y, we're going to replace it with what? Minus 3y plus what? 2y. Instead of minus y, we're replacing it with what? Minus 3y plus 2y. Are you getting it now? So we have what? Minus 3y plus 2y. See here, minus 6, right? Minus 6 equals to 0. Let's separate the two. We have what? Y squared minus 3y. Y squared minus 3y plus 2y minus 6, right? Equals to 0. Let's get the common factor between both of them. We have what? The common factor between y squared and what? Minus 3y is what? It's what? It's what? It's y. So when we factor out y from y squared, what will remain in y squared here? What will we multiply to y to give you y squared? It's what now? It's y. When you factor out y from minus 3y, what is the variable that's going to remain? It's what now? It's minus 3. Let's do the same thing for the other side. Let's bring down our addition sign. So now, the common factor between 2y and minus 6 is what? Is 2 or plus 2, right? When we factor out plus 2 from what? 2y, what is going to remain here? Y. When we factor out plus 2 from minus 6, what are we going to multiply to plus 2 to give you minus 6? It's what now? It's minus 3, right? Everything equals to what? 0. Now, according to factorization, we are going to have y plus 2, right, equals to 0, or we are going to take one of these, either y minus 3 or this y minus 3. So, or y minus 3 equals to what? 0. So what do we have next? We have y equals to plus 2 plus 2 equals to and become what? Negative, which is minus 2. Or y equals to minus 3 is going to plus 2 equals to and become what? Positive. So now this is the value, but we need to classify whether it is stable or unstable. Now let's classify it. Let's classify it. So make sure in mathematics, when you are solving question, make sure you take it step by step. Now remember we have what? Y equals to minus 2. When it is negative, that is y equals to minus 2, it is what? It is a totally stable equilibrium. When it is negative, because y equals to minus is what? Negative. It is what? Asymptotically what? Stable equilibrium. But at y equals to 3, right? Which is what? Positive value. It is what? It's unstable. It's unstable what? Equilibrium. So this is now the solution to this given problem. When it's what? Negative. It's what? It is stable. When it is positive, it is what? Unstable. So this is the solution to this given question. Do what? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I get notified on my next video.